Home Remedies presents
One ingredient cracked heels remedy. Magical cracked heels home remedy. Are you feeling embarrassed to remove your shoes in public places because of cracked heel? Most of us do spend a lot of time taking care of our face, but the least importance is given to our feet, often completely ignored. Our kitchen is a place of wonderful ingredients with healing properties and medicinal values that can cure many daily problems including cracked heels. Let's look how to make this remedy today to heal your cracked heels. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Ingredients: 2 ripe bananas. How to do? Take 2 ripe bananas, mash into a smooth paste. Avoid unripe banana as it contains acid that is not good for the skin. Apply the paste all over the feet, including the nails and sides of the toe. Let it stay for 20 minutes and then rinse your feet with water. Repeat this for at least 2 weeks before going to bed to get best results. About the ingredient: the abundance of nutrients in bananas that includes vitamin A, B6 and C, all of which eases to keep up the elasticity of the skin and keeps the skin well hydrated. Banana is a natural moisturizer that keeps the feet moistened and prevents drying of the skin.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.